Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these rainbow glitter nails with bling and accent noodle nail. I'll be using these 6 glitters and they are available on my website. Link will be down below. And also long hair pretty nails, clear acrylic. So these are my nails and I just went ahead and filed them down very thinly, and I'll be extending the length using these nail forms. And these are the pink extra long nail forms. I will leave a link down below where you can pick these up. They are available on Amazon. So just go ahead and apply them as I always do. And if you guys want more detail on how I apply these, I will leave a link to a video down below. So this is after all of the nail forms are applied, and extend the length of the clear acrylic. So yes, this is the video that I did on my live stream, my first ever live stream. It was really fun. At first I was a bit nervous about doing live. It turned out really well, and I was shocked at how many people actually care to see how long and sit through the whole video. So that was crazy. But yes, I know you guys be like, my videos are as long as they are, but if you know, from that live stream, you guys see that it actually takes like 4 hours for me to do more complex designs like this. But yeah, that was totally cool, and I will definitely be doing some more live streams and doing those a little earlier for you guys, so majority of you guys can, you know, experience it with me live. So for the design, I'm going in with that aqua blue glitter at the cuticle area, and I just picked up a tiny bead of the clear acrylic and dipped it into the glitter and applied that to the nail, and it's just super beautiful. So the next glitter I'm using is the new lime green glitter, and this is so bright and beautiful, and it looks so good up against that aqua glitter. So I'm just applying that next, and I'm just making sure to give it a nice blend so it can blend seamlessly into the next color. So next I'm going in with neon orange, and I am just going to pat that in place as well. Next color is going to be hot pink, and I just love how the hot pink looks against the orange. It's just so cute. And the next color is lavender. And finally, I'm going to finish this nail off with the angel glitter. So moving on to the middle fingernail, I'm just once again extending the length using clear acrylic. Alright, so for the glitters on this nail, I switched up the order of the colors, and it was pretty fun because on my live stream, I just asked you guys what color you want to see next, and everybody chimed in. So it was kind of like, you guys helping me out with this. That was pretty awesome. So yeah, I started with the hot pink first, and then I went in with the lavender. And then with that aqua blue. And I just want to point out that I am working thin with the glitters. I'm just picking up only a tiny bit of clear, and then just really packing on the glitter because we don't want the nail to be super thick. So just keep that in mind if you guys are trying this out. Just keep your glitter layer really thin. So next I go in with that neon orange glitter. And then lime green. And then I finished this nail off with the angel glitter at the tip. So I just repeat the same thing for the index finger and the thumbnail. First by extending the length of the nail using the clear acrylic, and then just going in with the 6 colors of glitter. Alright, so after all of the acrylic and glitter is laid, I'm just going to go in and encapsulate all the nails with clear acrylic. Alright, so this is after all of the acrylic has set, and now I'm just going to take my nail forms off. And now I'm going to form my noodle. So I decided to go ahead and try it with glitter. I watched Natalie Mugridge video, and she gave some pretty good tips on how to do it with glitter, because you have to move so dang on fast. Like, you just, you know, go as fast as you can. But I went ahead and just put 2 large beads down of clear, and then I packed on all of the glitter that I wanted to use, and I'm just really forming it into like a kind of tapered, you know, coffin shape type thing. But I'm not gonna worry about capping the glitter yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and form this and let it set. So before it sets too hard, you kind of want it to still be, you know, soft and pliable. I went ahead and removed it from the nail form, and then I am just going to do my twist. And I just love how that glitter looks. Oh, so beautiful. So this is how it looks after it has hardened. And now I'm just going to take small beads of clear acrylic and seal in all of that glitter. And this hack was just so simple, but it was just like, why didn't I think of that? So thank you, Natalie, for your tip. And I was able to achieve a very beautiful glitter noodle nail. All right, so I just went ahead and let that dry to the side, and now I'm going to do my shaping and filing using my 100/180 grit nail file, and I will leave links to everything down below. Alright, so I also trimmed down my pinky fingernails so I can apply the noodle. And just like before, I'm just applying a medium-sized bead of clear, and then I'm just going to adhere that to the nail and hold the noodle in place. And once it starts to set, I'm just going to make sure it's nice and smooth and flat, and just apply more acrylic where I see fit. And don't forget about the underside. So this is after all of the nails are filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm going to apply some Swarovskis and these iridescent bows and hearts, and these are available on my website. Link will be down below. And I'm going to adhere all of these crystals and jewels using a combination of the Poochie Nails Bling Gel and the Poochie Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And I just start off with the Bling Gel and apply that to the nail, making sure to get it all around the swirl and just use a generous amount. And once that is all applied, I do not cure. I go in with the Poochie Nails top coat and apply that over it. And then I apply my crystals, and this combination holds them on very, very well. I went ahead and cured that so none of that will shift. And then I applied some more bling, bows, and hearts to my index fingernail and cured. Alright, so now I'm applying the Poochie Nails top coat to the rest of the nails. And this is after curing. Next, I'm going to apply this rose oil to my cuticles. And this is the finished look. I really love how these came out. I love the bold colors and the rainbow glitter ombre. It is just perfect for summer. I especially love this glitter noodle nail. Like, I am so into noodle nails right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.